The Diyandi Festival truly symbolizes the identity of every Iliganons. Through dance, music, and traditions, we proudly showcase it as a reminder of the richness and uniqueness of Iligan's culture. This is more than just a celebration. It serves as a reminder of our heritage, a way of preserving our history, and opportunity to share with others what makes Iligan distinct and vibrant.
Diyandi showcases Iligan's culture and what the city can offer. The fact that there are many thriving visual artists, cultural performers, bands, and many other local artists, it is a testimony to what Sr. San Miguel brought to our city. Ang pagkahipusa, or what we all know as peace. Peace inspires all of us to elevate our creativity, continue our culture, and gives us the avenue to enjoy life.
Diyandi Festival is a celebration of colors of culture in Iligan City. That is why it is very important. Diyandi is a Higaonon word meaning a merrymaking and thanksgiving. This time, the tribe people converge or join the celebration of the festival.
Iligan has a very diverse culture. It is very unique because only in Iligan that the tribe people coexist.
The Ipis represented by the Higaonons, the Maranaos represented by the Muslim community, and the Christian migrants honoring the patron saint, St. Michael the Archangel.
Diyandi actually is not just a word for Iligan. Diyandi is worshiping Sr. San Miguel. It is a worship dance.
This makes it unique throughout the world, wherein the Lumads or the Ipis, the Maranaos or the Muslims, and the Christian migrants join in honoring the patron saint.
can see the great benefits that the Diyandi Festival brings to Iligan. First, in the economy, it provides many opportunities for our entrepreneurs and vendors and attracts visitors that help boost tourism. Second, in sports, through tournaments and competitions, our youth are given the chance to develop their skills, discipline, and sportsmanship.
Sports events at the Diyandi Festival play a big role in promoting culture, tourism, and in uniting the community. This attracts visitors and Iliganons through social media, participation from local schools and sports clubs. These activities highlight local talent, provide enjoyment, and help boost Iligan's economy.
With the growing economy of Iligan, as what they coined us as the sleeping giant of northern Mindanao, Iligan is actually fast evolving or fast growing when it comes to economy and when it comes to investments. As Iligan is opening itself to the Philippines, not just the Philippines but the entire world, because we have partners internationally, we are partners globally. It seems as if that Iligan is already making a mark when it comes to economy, not just only in Mindanao, not just only in northern Mindanao, but of course the entire Philippines.
Well, this is my first visit to Iligan and indeed northern Mindanao, and I don't think a lot of ambassadors actually have made this trip yet. So I hope my visit will really inspire others to come and see what's just a wonderful city. The welcome here has been just so phenomenal. The people are so friendly, and I mean, this festival runs for the entire month of September, and I've only really scratched the surface in terms of the amazing activities and shows that are on display.
So the Diyandi Festival is a major contributor to Iligan's economic activity. Now, throughout the month-long celebration, we experience a surge in tourism as visitors flock to witness cultural presentations, the street dancing, and other key events. Now, this influx of guests directly benefit our local businesses, from hospitality and food establishments to micro and small enterprises. That is why it is very crucial for us to maximize promotion of the festival, ensuring that Iligan fully capitalizes on this tourism momentum.
Since the opening of this year's Diyandi Festival, we have noted a significant increase in the number of business permits issued, as many entrepreneurs have opened new establishments, particularly in Mugna area.
One of the highlights of the Diyandi Festival is the Mugna Family Fair. So Mugna is a local term for handicrafts created by skilled local artisans. It began as a small sidewalk stall during the Diyandi Festival, and over time grew into a vibrant fair that now includes entertainment rides and a family park.
These ventures come not only from Iligan, but also from neighboring cities.
The Diyandi Festival has brought about here in Iligan City. For one, it was a budget injection, meaning there was a government spending. The Diyandi Festival had a budget provided or allocated by the city government, and that spending feeds into many sectors like event organizers, suppliers, pay for performers, construction of stages, promotion, and many more.
Therefore, let us show our joy and support for this festival because it is not only a celebration, but also a way to advance our city and take pride in our culture.
This stands as proof that when we work together, we can proudly present to the entire Philippines and the world that Iligan has its own distinct identity and invaluable cultural heritage.
Yeah.